Deep in the woods, I found him, a forgotten giant. Decades of rust and overgrowth.
Nature has completely swallowed the front end. Let's get these vines off and see what we're working with. The glass is completely shattered and water has destroyed the housings. It looks pretty sad right now.
The doors are practically welded shut from the rust. The interior is a complete time capsule. It hasn't moved an inch in 40 years. The tires are totally locked up and sunk deep into the earth. Slow and steady. Getting this kind of dead weight onto the flatbed is always the most stressful part.
Welcome to the new headquarters. We needed a massive space just to fit this giant.
Now that it's in the lab, the real work begins. It's time to tear this gentle giant completely apart.
Before we can even find all the bolts to take this giant apart, we have to strip away decades of forest grime. The pressure washer is brutally honest. It's stripping away the rotten paint and revealing exactly how much rust repair we're in for.
Even the classic wooden extension ladders are caked in forest rot. We'll have to restore those completely by hand later.
Every single bolt on this truck is massive, and every single one is rusted solid.
Removing the shattered eyes of this giant, we'll be replacing these with crystal clear vintage-style glass lenses.
This massive, solid brass bell is a classic piece of firehouse history. Right now it's...
And there's the heart of the beast. A massive vintage V8 engine, completely buried under decades.
Stripping the doors off to prep the main cab for the overhead crane. The cab mounts are rusted solid to the frame. The fastest way is just to cut them completely off. Hooking up the heavy-duty lifting straps. This solid steel cab is incredibly heavy, and we can't afford any mistakes.
And there she goes. Lifting the cab exposes the massive chassis and the giant V8 engine. Now we have full access.
Rolling the bare chassis into the teardown bay. It looks like a giant, greasy metal skeleton.
This truck leaked oil for decades, and the forest dirt mixed with it to create this thick, hardened crust. It's oddly satisfying to peel off.
Getting these massive dual rear wheels off takes everything you've got. The dry rot is severe.
And there we have it, a totally stripped, bare chassis. From here, we can finally pull that massive V8 engine and begin the revival.
The final connection is broken. Buster's heart is Havaman, exposing the full scale of the bare frame and the dirty drivetrain.
This engine is packed tight with solidified grease. Every valley is a time capsule of 40 years of neglect.
Total unassembly complete. Time for the deep clean. This massive aluminum block is going for a ride in the vapor blasting cabinet.
After hours in the cabinet, this massive aluminum beast looks brand new. This brushed raw finish is the perfect foundation for the rebuild.
Hooking up the heavy hoist to lift this massive heart. Decades of neglect and sludge are about to be stripped away.
This thick steel frame has held up tons of weight for half a century. We are blasting away decades of heavy rust to find the solid iron underneath. To protect these bones for another 50 years, I'm laying down a heavy, impenetrable coat of ultra-glossy black epoxy.
Now for the drivetrain. This massive rear axle is a total mystery box. Let's see what kind of damage is hiding inside.
These heavy-duty gears weigh a ton. Pulling this carrier out takes everything I've got.
New heavy-duty bearings being pressed onto the freshly vapor-blasted carrier. Precision and extreme pressure.
Bolting the rebuilt heavy-duty suspension and massive axles back onto the freshly painted frame. The foundation is finally complete.
From a rusted pile of junk to a rolling work of art, the bones are strong and the heart is beating. But we are only halfway there.
These massive aluminum Alcoa wheels have been sitting outside for decades. The metal is heavily oxidized, dull, and chalky.
Matching the heart of the beast, I laid down a thick, wet coat of glossy fire engine red on these massive multi-piston calipers.
Locking down the red calipers over those shiny machined rotors. The contrast against the glossy black frame is absolutely beautiful.
But with a heavy cutting compound and a high-speed buffer, the cloudy surface melts away to reveal a flawless, blinding mirror finish.
To give this giant the stance it deserves, we are wrapping those mirror-polished wheels in massive, aggressive mud tires.
Seating the bead on these thick, heavy-duty sidewalls requires a massive blast of air. That sound never gets old.
Locking them down with heavy chrome spiked lug nuts. Every detail on this rolling chassis has to be perfectly aggressive.
And there it is. The rolling chassis is completely finished. The stance is incredibly aggressive, the engine is a masterpiece, and the bone...
To seal the metal and give us a perfect foundation, I'm laying down a heavy coat of thick, high-build gray primer. To give it that museum-quality finish, I'm burying that red under an incredibly thick, wet layer of premium high-gloss clear coat. It looks like liquid glass.
A final cut and polish brings out a reflection so deep and flawless, it feels like you could dive right into the paint. The cab is done.
those massive, chunky off-road tires finally crushing the gravel outside the shop. The stance is absolutely menacing.
Oh man, listen to that roar. The massive vintage V8 fires up on the first try.
From a forgotten, rusted, sludge-filled relic rotting in the woods to an absolute museum-quality.
After a successful shakedown, a quick wash is all it takes to bring back that liquid glass shine. The mud just melts off.
Mounting the original, fully restored chrome fire bell. This is the true voice of the gentle giant, ringing through history.
Slipping this massive, heavy-duty transmission into first gear feels like loading a cannon. It's pure, raw mechanical feedback.
Time for the ultimate test. Engaging the heavy-duty power takeoff lever to send that V8 power directly to the massive water pump. Time for the ultimate test. Engaging the heavy-duty power takeoff lever to send that V8 power directly to the massive water pump.
Peeling the plastic off the fresh glass. It's the ultimate visual satisfaction, revealing a crystal clear view ahead.
Cruising through the forest, the heart of this beast beats strong. The massive V8 has so much torque, it pulls this heavy steel frame effortlessly. Cruising through the forest, the heart of this beast beats strong. The massive V8 has so much torque, it pulls this heavy steel frame effortlessly.
Unbelievable! The heavy-duty pump works perfectly. It's blasting hundreds of gallons a minute. The gentle giant is back on duty.
After thousands of hours under the workshop lights, it is finally time for this gentle giant to see the sun again.
The moment of truth. After months of blood, sweat, and endless sanding, it's time to see if the heart of this beast will beat again. The moment of truth. After months of blood, sweat, and endless sanding, it's time to see if the heart of this beast will beat again.
Testing the rebuilt heavy-duty axles and massive leaf springs. The articulation and flex are perfect. Nothing stops this giant. Testing the rebuilt heavy-duty axles and massive leaf springs. The articulation and flex are perfect. Nothing stops this giant.